My name is Natalie. I'm instructor of Neurographica, and this week we had our second class from the basic user course. We started learning about the algorithm of releasing limitations, and this is a very powerful algorithm. You can use it on any topic to help you achieve your goals or remove any problems and blocks that you have. We learned about this algorithm. We did a drawing on this algorithm, and I was drawing along with the participants. My topic was about my business. This is the final drawing from the class that I did. During the class, of course, after that, I added many circles here, and that's what I want to talk about. Because initially I had one circle for my fixation, for the result of my drawing, and I thought I knew what I need to do for my business, but there was another circle kind of away from this focal point, and it came after I already finished choosing the fixation. And so what happened, I worked on this drawing a little bit more, and every time I was trying to work on the drawing, more and more circles came up. So you see, I already have maybe 8, more than 5 circles already, and I keep on drawing, and the circles kept on manifesting and showing up for me on this drawing. And I started asking myself, what does it mean? And there were more solutions to that came up for my business. People started reaching out to me, offering different ideas, different ways to help me or to give me suggestions how to transform and what to do. So now I added even another field line. So this field line wasn't in my original drawing, and I want to show you how the drawing is evolving. Just the process of this drawing started in a class on Thursday, but it's already Saturday, and I keep on working with this drawing. And in my life, there are circumstances that are showing up that are leading me to see other possibilities. And I will continue drawing and observing what is going on. So how do circles come up? You see there is some arches that are already present in the drawing, and as I work with the lines, with the colors, those arches keep on attracting my attention, and all I need to do is just complete them to circles. I don't invent those circles. I just see them coming through the drawing. The drawing speaks to me, and I'm attracted to those shapes and circles, and I just bring them to the drawing. I keep on working with them and keep on adding more lines, more roundings. I can add colors later. I actually want to add more colors because somehow purple color is not present in my drawing, and I want to add more purple. So I will play with the color. The drawing just speaks to me, and I'm listening to what's going on inside of me, but also in my life, and it is all related. The drawing is showing me the path and helping me connect with my intuition to to align with what is the best decision for me, because when I just think it from my conscious mind, I will not know what is the best decision for me. But when I connect to this and trust the universe, trust the process, it is unfolding the best possible way for me and for everybody involved. And it's a nice and interesting process. I'm always curious, well, where will the next line lead me to? Where will be the next rounding that I'm gonna see on the drawing? And look what happened. So this second circle here is like connected to the first one, the first that I emphasized initially, and now they both create the infinity symbol. And I'm gonna work with this a little bit more, add more colors. And this infinity symbol, when I look at it, it evokes sensations in my body, emotions, and I'm very excited to have this. And there are some meanings about it in my mind already, that there should be a synergy. There is a synergy needed, that I enjoy helping people and receiving help as well. And it should be for the benefit of all who is involved. So I'm excited for the future of my business. I'm excited for this drawing, and I keep on working with it. I want to make the same color, this shape to be the same, the second part of this drawing, of this infinity symbol, to be the same. So I'm adding this color yellow to brighten it up, to bring it forward. I can rotate the drawing, and I keep on working, keep on exploring. It's a process that is talking to me. I'm talking to my subconscious, I'm talking with myself, I'm connecting and communicating and getting more and more ideas that comes up. And so this is a second part that have emerged for me. It was this way, and now it's a different path. I don't know exactly what it is particularly, but I see that I should not be rushed to make any decision. So there are more possibilities opening up, and they're more exciting, and maybe there are even more circles that will come up. So I don't think the drawing is finished. It is very complex, and it has a lot of information that it brought out for me. So it's a process. At this point, I can start a different drawing to make it more clear for me how to go forward, or I can keep on working with this one. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope it makes sense to you. And for those who are already in our basic user course, I will see you next week on Thursday for the next class. And if you are not, I highly recommend you signing up. You can watch the previous classes in recordings, submit your drawings, and enjoy. We have a beautiful group. Everybody is working hard and engaged and participating, and it's with questions, with sharing. It's a beautiful community there. Thank you.